Sarah, what you doing? You're doing what? Wow, you're helping Mommy fold towels? And look how perfect they are. And how old are you? How many is that?
3.
You're only 3 and you can fold towels. Let's see. Let's see what you do. Grandma Harriet's gonna love this. Wow, Sarah. I think there might be a little OCD there. Good job. Nope, not again. That's good. Put it on the rest. Thank you for your help.
Good job, baby.
You did a great job. Okay. Goodbye.